Hello, this is also a COB, especially for bicycle or for motor. It's ultra bright, and we can custom the different colors for you. The surface is waterproof. The COB can be used for a long time. It can custom in a variety of lengths, colors, color temperature, or the whites, and the working methods, lighting methods, or we can custom. You can use it in full power or half power. Our custom solution is perfect for those looking for multifunctional taillight, and they can use for various applications. So let me know your cool ideas about your safety light. We can make only for you.